What's going on, everybody? Today is February 12th. We are hoping for a repeat from a couple years back in 2018, I believe. In December, we had an absolute killer hunt here on the farm pond, and we're hoping for a repeat here this morning. These guys have been waiting to hunt this all season, waiting for the right day, so hopefully today's the day. It is February 12th. We're ready to unleash. Eric?
What'd he do?
There's one in the field.
Yeah.
Chris!
You're trying to slow down.
What do you think, Chris? They want in bad. This is gonna be a good day. Here we go. We got 5 coming.
Zeus, come!
Oh! Huge flock to our right.
Look at that big group on the...
Huge flock on the right.
Come! Zeus, come! Come! Zeus! Zeus, come!
Oh, shit!
Oh!
Sorry about that. Oh, sorry about that one. I saw that guy.
Look at him!
Holy smokes! I took that one to my freaking camera.
Zeus!
Woo!
If you don't have a head, good thing.
Zeus, here!
I just took 5 gallons to my blind. Oh my goodness. Woo. Fingers crossed. Dang it. Dude, that was freaking sick. What do you think of that?
Dude, hey, they're doing it.
They're doing it good. Ah. you guys can see. Whew. Oh, that was crazy. We had tons of birds working. One dropped in right literally 3 feet from me and just dumped like 5 gallons of water in my blind. But they're doing it awesome. It's been a great morning so far. We've killed a ton of birds. So we're allowed 5 a person. I think there's 10 people here. So do the math there. We'll see you on the next vlog.
You're gonna want to get in your blind. There's about 1,000 of them there.
There's a couple thousand of them right there, ain't there?
That's snows. They're flying like snows.
Yeah, those are snows.
They gotta be.
All right, well, get in your blind.
That's because I've been seeing them every day. I kept pulling in here.
Go get him, Zeus. Zeus, go get him. Good boy, Dutch.
What a show. The battle we're struggling with is no wind today. So that's the struggle with the birds right now, but they're working good, sun's shining, and we've killed a mess of birds, so it's been an awesome morning. Awesome morning. Oh, KO.
You're like,
That shot didn't kill him.
this one. Call or no call. Good boy. Come on.
To the left.
Yeah, group coming.
Group coming, group coming.
Come on, Zeus.
We're about 8 coming in right now. I'm gonna tuck in here quick.
David's out over the milk going toward the refuge.
They'll be on oil station.
Zeus, go get him. Go get him, Zeus. Zeus. Zeus.
What are the odds, man? Oh, those 4 are up. Get him, Chris.
Yeah, Chris, good work, buddy.
Right there.
Go, boy. Come on.
Sit down.
Good boy.
Go, boy. Come on.
not die. It's
And
like,
then I just fucking dumped
You
him.
went like this. I was like, are you fucking?
Get him, Zeus! Get him!
They literally can't see in the sunlight.
Alright guys, we have a big flock coming out right over there. You can't really see it on the GoPro. But there's a couple big flocks over this way. And some more over here to our right. Hard for me to see them all the way at the opposite end here, so I'm just hanging out, but it looks like these birds are coming back over here. Over this tree line right over there. Yep, they're coming straight for us. Close.
I don't think they're gonna see it.
Oh my goodness.
How many? 34. We need 16 more.
No way we're at 34. We gotta have more than that.
Count them out now.
Wait, 1, 2,
What did you say about that, Matt?
4.
This is gonna be a good one, man. This is a good one.
What's the limit we can kill?
50. And we're almost there. Almost there, and what time even is it? Anyone got a clock on?
8 o'clock maybe?
8 o'clock. We married for like
8:15?
I don't know, 2 hours. It's a good one, man. We're smacking them. You want the count yet? Oh shit.
Oh, to the right doing it. Go on.
Zeus, go get him! Go get him, Zeus! He's going down.
We're gonna smoke these out. One more coming around right there. Landing! Landing! There it is. Whoo, my ear's ringing.
You are a dope today.
Watch that one right there. Come around.
Tyler. Yep. Up. Up. Up.
Just dust them. Good boy.
I didn't shoot him.
Zeus, you gonna go get him or? Zeus, come. Good boy.
Got that one
If that one's got a band, it's mine.
Zeus, Zeus, come here, good boy.
I'm pretty sure I shot that one.
Dude, good.
That was good.
Zeus, Zeus, come.
Well, guys, we have 50 birds. So that's a wrap. We're gonna get everything cleaned up here and take some photos, but we've had just a freaking crazy hunt today. I'm gonna go through and just show you a little bit. Got some silhouettes there, a bunch of floaters out. And we have just a bunch of full bodies here, a couple dozen, a bunch of silhouettes right here. And then we have all our blinds here brushed in with hay. So been an awesome hunt. I think this one's better than our 2018 hunt. A lot of you have seen that video. Today was special, so probably the best hunt of the year by a long shot. So anyways, we'll get things cleaned up, take some photos, and we'll see you back in the truck. Guys, that is a wrap. Brandon, Caleb, appreciate it. This has been an awesome hunt. I think this tops 2018.
Yeah, I think this puts the top on it.
Sure. So I want to say thank you to these guys for letting me come along today and film and hunt a little bit. And they put in the work this week, that's for sure. They set the ice ripper out.
Yep. The J2 Outdoors ice ripper definitely helped us out on this one. I mean, this was 6 inches of ice a couple days ago. And having that be able to open it up, the birds found it, and hunting on a migration day, I mean, it was just awesome.
Yeah, for sure.
It was great.
So I want to say thanks.
Thank you.
Appreciate you having me.
Thanks for coming.
And
Thanks to the good
guys,
Lord
yep, for sure.
for bringing the bird.
Comment, like, and subscribe. This has been an awesome hunt. We really appreciate it. We have tons more content coming this year. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.